In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text bubbles in Microsoft Word. Text bubbles are a simple way to make words and short messages stand out in a Microsoft Word document. They can be useful for creating labels, speech bubbles, announcements, classroom materials, or other documents where you want your text to appear inside a bubble shape. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open the document where you want to add the text bubble. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. From the options available, look for Shapes and click on it. A menu with different shapes will appear. Look through the available shapes and find a speech bubble or call-out shape that you want to use. There are several styles available, so choose the one that fits the type of text you want to add. Once you have selected a shape, click and drag your mouse across the document to draw the text bubble. You can make it larger or smaller, depending on how much text you want to place inside it. After creating the shape, simply click inside it and start typing your text. The words will appear directly inside the bubble. You can type a short message, a sentence, a label, or any other text you want to display. Keep the text concise so that it fits comfortably inside the shape. You can also adjust the appearance of the text bubble using the shape format options. When the shape is selected, you can change its fill, outline, and other formatting options to match the design of your document. If the text bubble is too small, you can resize it by selecting the shape and dragging one of its corner handles. This gives you more space for your text without having to create another shape. You can also move the text bubble to another location on the page. Simply select the shape and drag it to the position where you want it to appear. When you're satisfied with the size, position, and appearance, click outside the shape to continue working on the rest of your document. Text bubbles can be especially useful when you want to make certain information more noticeable without adding complicated formatting. They can also make simple documents more visual and easier to follow. Remember, the main process is to open the Insert tab, select Shapes, choose a suitable speech bubble or call-out shape, draw it on the page, and then type your text inside the shape. And that's how you can create text bubbles in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,